I want to talk to you about AccuPOS, and this will be a review of the tool. And the question is this tool really worth it for you this year? So here is the about us, if you will, the presentation about this tool here. So when we talk about AccuPOS, we are talking about a U.S. point of sale provider based in Washington, Ohio. And the company provides a point of sale products to various industries. So that's really good. And I'm talking here about restaurants, bars, retail stores, small businesses, and dispensaries. So that's really cool. And but in today's conversation, I want to talk to you about the restaurant and retail aspects of the product. So AccuPOS allows you to choose between Android and PC hardware devices. So in terms of flexibility, that's really good. The company offers a wide range of touchscreen hardware options that will really enable you to take control of your point of sale interface. And the platform comes packed with the front end and back end features that ensure that you have the tools you need to improve your current business. You have accounting integrations, menu building, data analytics, cloud reporting, and a range of other features allow users to benefit from the point of sale platform like AccuPOS. And so while the design and software features are not as advanced as some other significant players in the industry like Lightspeed, for instance, the intuitive nature, in our view, the intuitive nature of the platform makes it easy to learn and use. So it doesn't matter. You don't have to have a sophistication, if you will, when it comes to POS to be able to use AccuPOS. Now, the product's not cheap. It's not really cheap. And so the pricing starts at $7.95 for a license. I'll talk about pricing later on, but it's something that if you have a growing business, if you have the budget for it, this is really good. I want to quickly talk to you about the pros and cons of this product, so you have a clear idea what I'm talking about when I mention AccuPOS. Let's first talk about some of the advantages that we have seen in our research. You have a very intuitive and simple platform. You have robust restaurant and hospitality features. Accounting integration options are really, really great based on our research. And hardware flexibility. You have 24/7 customer support. And you have cloud-based data reporting options. So that's really good. What about some of the disadvantages? You have a potentially outdated interface. They're not really transparent when it comes to pricing. And add-ons are really expensive, so be very careful. If you have to go with AccuPOS, be careful with the add-ons. Speaking about cost, you can see on the screen here that AccuPOS wants you to contact them. They want you to really give your first name, last name, your business name, your phone number, everything before they can actually give you anything about pricing. So they're not really transparent around pricing. But we have done a little bit of research, and we have found that basically you have to for AccuPOS you have to pay somewhere around $99 per month, and basically pay $7.95 for the hardware itself. And this may be the same price range for their restaurant management solution. And additional stations can be added for $35 per month for each station. And now their website claims its POS is more flexible and affordable than any other POS software. Regardless, you need to speak directly with AccuPOS to get an accurate quote on its software pricing. So this is not something that we really appreciate, but hey, listen, it is what it is. But the company actually has a strong and proven track record, because it has been operating for for nearly 30 years now, because the company was founded on January 1st, 1996. So that's really close to 3 decades now. So it shows a certain level of a tenure in the industry, and they must have been doing something right for them to last that long. Okay, and they have about 100 to 1,000 customers, and they have also 30 to 50 employees. But they are based in Westerville, Ohio. So that's where they are located at. And we love the fact that AccuPOS is constantly sort of innovating. Even though the interface is outdated, they actually innovate when it comes to the features, to the capabilities, to the modules. And there is actually no information on an AccuPOS free trial. And we have done our research also on that front. There is none. So you will need to pay for stuff right away. There is a demo, so there is a possibility once you reach out to the company, They will set you up for a demo, for a free demo, and you can test the products in a demo environment for 1 to 3 weeks. And after that, you can choose to sign up for the real stuff or not. So, but there is no free trial. There's no free account. So you're going to have to start paying for stuff. Once you, if you want to use AccuPOS, you start paying for the product right away. I want to talk to you about the features that you can really expect to have through AccuPOS. So there are tons of great features available via the AccuPOS platform. So you can use the platform on both PC and Android devices. You can have a fixed terminal or use an Android tablet for tableside ordering or both. It really depends on the setup that you want to have. The interface is straightforward to use. Don't waste time training staff with a complex interface. You're able to build menus and add variations, so you can add personal branding to each component of the interface. You can track customer sales and build a custom loyalty program that allows you to reward repeat customers. You have access to customer support via live chat, phone, and a support ticket form. And customer support is available 24/7, so we love that part of the deal. Features that help a wide range of retail and restaurant niches, including dining restaurants, bars, clubs, and quick service restaurants are available, so that's really good. You also have a range of tools to analyze sales information and other critical data points. You are able to take back control of your business and identify any weaknesses. You can also integrate with two of the largest accounting software platforms in the industry, QuickBooks and Sage, so that's really cool in terms of integration. You can manage your staff's shifts and allow them to clock in and out of the system directly. Email receipts directly to customers. You can save time and paper with this unique feature. And you also have, this is a really good one, you have EMV payment options and gateways. So you have fully integrated payment processing options. That's really fantastic. Now, in terms of the deployment type, AccuPOS is a hybrid system that really combines local hardware and software with a cloud reporting system. So you will benefit from having access to crucial information wherever you are located. You don't need to access your primary POS hardware to gain access to reporting data. This also means what? It means that your valuable reporting information is stored externally in the cloud. If you have an outdated system, this cloud-based system may seem innovative, and in reality, almost all modern point-of-sale systems have a cloud component. So if you want to get the most from your point-of-sale platform, it's critical to make sure it has cloud capabilities, okay? And one thing I want to say is that when we talk about capabilities, you have table-side ordering features for restaurants. So you have industries served, retail, restaurants and food services, bars, small businesses, grocery stores, liquor stores, convenience stores, dispensaries, clubs, and member organizations. Fantastic. So when I talk about ease of use, when you think about AccuPOS, what kind of ease of use can you contemplate or can you expect? Well, when it comes to AccuPOS, you have a very intuitive tool. As with many point-of-sale systems that we have actually reviewed, the interface is straightforward. You won't have to worry about getting confused as you navigate the system. It's an excellent service if you want something comfortable to work with. It can help save you time when training your staff members. And unfortunately, while AccuPOS is easy to use, we have seen that its interface is relatively outdated. And basically, what about the hardware? Well, there is fortunately, plenty of flexibility for hardware devices at AccuPOS. You can bring your own PC device or Android tablet. This is an excellent feature if you already have hardware for your business. You can also choose to purchase POS hardware directly from AccuPOS if you want to save the hassle of sourcing your own system. And the price of the complete hardware system is not provided on the website. So you have to, as you saw a little earlier, you have to request a quote. And at present, it doesn't appear that AccuPOS allows you to use iOS devices. Sorry, Apple lovers. But if you are looking to use an iPad for your POS hardware, you'll have to look at different providers, okay? And I'll talk to you about those providers. In terms of integrations, integrations are kind of limited with AccuPOS. I mean, integrating your point of sale platform with third-party software can help you access a more significant number of tools and features. And many of the leading POS providers ensure that their platforms have a long list of integrations to help improve various components of their services. And there may be hundreds of integrations available, but it's really unclear what those might be. And unfortunately, the only two third-party integrations we could determine are available at AccuPOS are related to accounting. So that's Sage and QuickBooks, as I said earlier. And for payment processing, AccuPOS doesn't provide clear information on its credit card processing capabilities. And the company states that it has integrated EMV payment gateways and processors that make it convenient for clients to process credit card transactions through WorldPay secure processing. So when you think about it, while this is a great feature, it could also be helpful to know if AccuPOS supports full integration with other merchant providers. And in terms of customer service, you have a range of different options to choose from if you want to use AccuPOS. So the company has a telephone hotline, live chat portal, and online support ticket. So that's really good already. I mean, to start with, right? So in terms of flexibility and also in terms of helping you run your business properly. And one thing I want to say is that when you think about AccuPOS, I want you to think about the fact that you are able to also find technical information and tutorials on everything if you need minor assistance with your point of sale platform. In terms of customer satisfaction, there also appears to be a lot to like about AccuPOS. While there isn't a tremendous amount of customer feedback online, there are plenty of positive reviews on consumer watchdog groups. What is the value added here? So when you think about AccuPOS, what kind of value can this software tool add to your business? Well, first of all, you can streamline business operations with AccuPOS because you are basically looking at innovating your retail management system. And so you basically are talking to a company that caters to a large range of mid-sized and large enterprises. And you can also have tailored solutions for various industries. So that's a great way for AccuPOS to add value. And this tool is particularly well suited for businesses operating in the hospitality, retail, and service sectors. And you also have a comprehensive feature set and scalable architecture that make it an ideal choice for multi-location operations, franchises, and businesses with high transaction volumes. And AccuPOS offers two distinct versions to accommodate various business requirements. So you have the standard edition, which is a comprehensive POS solution that streamlines sales processes, inventory management, and customer relationship management. And you also have the Enterprise Edition, which is really for businesses with more complex needs. And if you need, let's say, advanced capabilities, including multi-store management, centralized reporting, and robust integration with third-party systems, you will go with the AccuPOS Enterprise Edition. We love the fact that AccuPOS empowers businesses with efficient operations. That's a great way a great way to analyze the value added. So you are talking about an intuitive interface and user-friendly features that enable a seamless adoption, minimizing training requirements and ensuring a smooth transition for employees. And it doesn't matter what kinds of employees you have, what level of knowledge those employees have. You will always find a friendly POS in AccuPOS. So with real-time inventory tracking, you can maintain optimal stock levels, reduce the risk of overstocking or stockouts. So AccuPOS also facilitates efficient order management, enabling businesses to process orders quickly and accurately, improving customer satisfaction in the first place. So that's really cool. And the tool also offers robust reporting and analytics capabilities, providing businesses with valuable insights into sales performance, customer behavior, and operational metrics. So that's really good. AccuPOS really also adds value in terms of in helping you enhance customer experience overall. You have the ability to integrate stuff like client relationship management capabilities, so you can capture and analyze customer data, enabling personalized marketing campaigns and targeted promotions. So that's really good. And AccuPOS also supports loyalty programs, allowing businesses to reward their valued customers and foster long-lasting relationships. So that's really fantastic. So that's really cool in terms of flexibility. Let me talk to you about the specs you can really expect to have with AccuPOS now. So you have a lot of specs. I mean, the specs we love a lot with AccuPOS is that you have barcode scanning, you have credit card processing, you have customer history, you have customizable GUI. That's an important element to have. You also have mobile POS compatibility. You have multi-system integration. That's another area where AccuPOS has strong specs. You have coupons, you have print receipts, you have refunds and returns. That's really cool. You also have a gift cards, customer loyalty, powerful receipts, and EMV compliance. So that's really fantastic. So you are talking about a tool that's constantly being updated and able to help you no matter what. Let me drink some water here. Thank you. So basically, when you think about AccuPOS, you are thinking about a tool that's really all in one. So our verdict is this. Should you actually go with AccuPOS, yes or no? Well, we think that AccuPOS is a great tool, but it depends on what you're looking for. So if you are looking for a simple POS software with plenty of small business specific benefits, AccuPOS is not a bad option. The company also offers plenty of hardware options that ensure that you will not be restricted to a single system or a platform. And plenty of current clients appear to be happy with the service they are receiving. And a significant advantage of AccuPOS is its integration with QuickBooks and Sage for accounting purposes. Still, there are actually a few downsides at AccuPOS. The pricing model is not entirely transparent, and the cost of add-ons could be high, and it's not really clear that what kind of third-party integrations are available to expand the system. Also, you may have to pay exorbitant rates to take advantage of integrated accounting. So there's also a lack of clarity about which third-party payment processors can fully integrate with AccuPOS other than WorldPay. So still, if you want to try out this platform to see if it's right for you, the company offers you the ability to try its service for free in certain geographies. So you need to get in touch with the AccuPOS system, the AccuPOS team rather, to discuss your options. Okay. So is AccuPOS the right point of sale solution for your business? It really depends on what kinds of needs you have in the first place. I mean, of course, AccuPOS remains a robust and feature-rich POS software that caters to a wide range of industries. However, the suitability of any software ultimately depends on your specific business requirements. So before making a decision, you want to conduct a comprehensive needs assessment and thoroughly evaluate how AccuPOS aligns with your unique operational processes, inventory management needs, and customer service goals. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. Let me quickly do a quick recap here. So I was talking to you about AccuPOS. This was a review of the tool. I give you the about us, the cost, the features, the value added, the specs, the verdict. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.